Yo abusuafo ene so makwa bare ba Kinwu Sports awo YouTube, Kinwu Sports TikTok. Me follow and subscribe and ma se bebre nya me hira mo pa se mo hwe me videos, mo share, mo like, mo subscribe. Mo de mo comment ba. Anya mo a nka me nduru ba bia medre. Da me kan se Yankopon hira mo yiye papa. Wa mo Yankopon ye makoma so ade nyina emfa ma mo nya me hira mo. Se me video ba mo hwe, mo like, mo share, mo comment na bibia eye kama. Abusuafo ene emre so ye gbawura Kumasi Asante Kotoko metema aso ye we ye update we ye update from Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko aso ye abusuafo let the update begin ye gbowo Kotoko aso ye a update a e wona say mu say ye hwe last season na say ye call last season na Asante Kotoko e wo 3 captains na LED football team na say LED club no na captains no na say first captain na Samba Onel, vice captain Ansu na third captain no Lord Amoah na captains a omudi Kotoko boboko na nim dem say sisi aye kasa yi Samba Onel and Ansu they are not part of the team sisi no omonka team no biom na Lord Amoah na third captain no ono say dem say long term injury ACL long term injury nti no ono na sisi no aka ohom na abusuafo ye kon next season next season Lord Amoah na ebeye captain of the team Lord Amoah na ebeye first captain of the team and Hubert Gyau as vice captain and Hubert Gyau na ebeye deputy captain of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Lord Amoah as first captain and Hubert Gyau as the vice captain. Inti enam say Lord Amoah ewo injury into the started next season Hubert Gyau na be the captain of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now, this conversation was between Stanley Menzo and Mike McCabe, who is the CEO of Pro Sports International Agency. Who say Pro Sports na Hubert Gyau agency a omototo no nyoma nyina edema no. Nti no abusuafo mbe kan so a na wotwumu ayede betu anim se Paul Menzo Mr. Stanley Menzo ede betu dwa se ono no ni focus ane dwumadi a obedi ama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko no ono ni vision nyina say he will be working with young players between the ages of 18 to 21 years omo ene omo beye adwuma because omo ne players are omo future na say omo beye future ade ama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko nti his vision is to work with young players at Asante Kotoko na yesade batuma ni mu say o demande videos be from players no last season o demande videos be say ohwe the performance of some of the players na wahu omo anu omba ye adwuma omo mbeko omo ayebeton omo ohwe saa nkrofo ni nyina na one player nani esan je ne ho Hubert Gyau muka saa Champions League Confederation CAF Champions League match Kotoko ne kwara ebo wo Accra Sports Stadium no saa match no muka say Hubert Gyau shares some fantastic goal pa nti after so watch some of the videos na players no Mr. Menzo impressed with Hubert Gyau's performance na abuja wom ka say Hubert Gyau so o sign 4 years contract na edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko wabo 1 year nti me no ka say nyina aka 3 seasons and 3 years won contract with Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko na mbaka so Hubert Gyau asama ye kan mun say Atletico edi obi ni nem say the management person pushi no edno ko ATM no ko si akan de ma Atletico Madrid sa nkomodidie no I think say a hit rock kakra na one football club so omo ni di Hubert Gyau football club akwa omo ni di Hubert Gyau echipa this United omo United States for America this United as at now America saying omo prepare $500,000 omo so omo de bre Kumasi Asante Kotoko na omo tumbe fa Hubert Gyau no kosi akan edema this United United States of America na no na Mr. Permanzo and as Mr. Stanley Menzo ebusa situation no ne move to this United and say ATM no ode ato Kotoko board nanim say omo ne eye Hubert Gyau management pro sports agency no omo ne omo nkasa no no Permanzo no and as Mr. Stanley Menzo no onya Hubert Gyau ewo ne project obeye na ebebo ne yie papa nti although say aka 3 years contract ewo Hubert Gyau contract mo club ye commercial Asante Kotoko but teams bi ayo madwe so mo pɛ no but Mr. Menzo say ohwe Hubert Gyau a obeye main target and I say main player ewo any project and I say ne nyoma obeye se nti eye Kotoko board no any pro sports for enkasa se na be ya Hubert Gyau deals na onya no amba boni nyina agu na wotumi atena krobia commercial Asante Kotoko na washi akan ade amam no Mr. Stanley Menzo promise Hubert Gyau ene ne management self so muti ase no ne Hubert Gyau adwuma a year or two a ono obetumi ade Hubert Gyau akọ Ajax Amsterdam direct deal obetumi di Hubert Gyau akọ Ajax Amsterdam amo Holland no wakosi akan ade amam enye se agency bi no direct deal to Ajax nti board of directors no ene Hubert Gyau ene ne management enkasa no ntumi ntine commercial Asante Kotoko no ne nya adwuma for a year or two no no betumi nya direct deal ama Hubert Gyau ma na kosi akan ade ama Ajax Amsterdam mo kai so a sa promise ne bia na osan de ama Peter Amidu Akwa sa promise ne bia na osan de ama Peter Amidu Akwa nti asem a Mr. Stanley Menzo ade ato Hubert Gyau ene ne management enim no abusuafo asem ba ko a osan can fa Hubert Gyau say he will be the face of commercial Asante Kotoko next season. And I say the project no be no. Hubert Gyau will be the face of Asante Kotoko project. Mo baye from next season going. Until Asante say promise na ma Hubert Gyau ene ne management. Abusuafo mbesan ka chem na wotwu say Mr. Stanley Menzo I requested some videos of some players Kofi Tompuo of Bechem United, Razak Simpson, Emmanuel Ano, I request nyina videos ohwe no wahwe omomodem mo no wahu player betumi afete any project na obey mu na abusuafo player ba ko a Mr. Menzo I so impressed about him Kofi Tompuo of Bechem United. Player ba ko a Mr. Stanley Menzo I impressed one hu pa Kofi Tompuo of Bechem United. Into no Mr. Stanley Menzo I recommend Kofi Tompuo at the Ama management say and I say board of directors say on share no asem no nkan say sa deal no etumi kom etumi go through it means say next season no Mr. Stanley Menzo I na adwen say midfielders are onomba ye adwuma okumasi Asante Kotoko Adabo Kofi Tompuo Hubert Gyau and Prince Bedu sa four midfielders we ana why na adwen so onomba ye adwuma Adabo Tompuo Gyau and Prince Bedu nti say we midfielder na say one two din a timi say ida say wo ko ye ton ana say nsem kan bi wo ho a mpenufo na obeka nti when update a every commercial Asante Kotoko aso edeba abusuafo na nsem ya mekan ya Richardo Suarez Pepe ewo vivid inchiremu obechirechiremu ade amam wate ahye yie pa nti abusuafo mo me yenkotie Richardo Suarez Pepe mra ne besa besisi a
one mo mutie yen ewo akoma 87.9 FM yes our production we no direct production from Pepe Suarez Media.
Fantastic.
Abuja Pani
Pepe Suarez.
Do coach no on him penifo din komo some catch us we be video of this guy the position is saying the contract duration is saying and the kofa bitami do akwa komo no ba no so okay
yeah
am make catch us we catch him penifo say for all the players of contract ewu okotoko no player be here na pa branch the Peter Amidu Aqua. They should go and open negotiations with Peter Amidu Aqua ne management. If and you're far, obehia pitamido akwa and wachire the opes odi pitami or the pitamido akwa ye and wachire say in the next 2 years say pitamido akwa ebe bo under new system no mo dey ba na obetimi anya direct deal ade ama akwa Europe.
Fantastic.
Abjapan,
Yes, sir.
next season as currently Kotoko no more 3 captains.
Yeah.
Samba bye bye Oko, Ansu bye bye Oko. Third captain a branch at the Lord Amoah.
Okay.
Lord long-term injury ACL. Yes, started next season now say a branch at the Emmanuel Nyongwa.
Wow.
Lord Amoah be first choice captain. Peter Amidu a branch at the Hubert Gyau ebe Kotoko second captain of Japan.
Okay.
San komodia we no. Komodia between Stanley Menzo and Mike Makaba or CEO at the Pro Sports International Agency. Na omudi omu nkomo ne aso atita oni TV.
Nice one.
Abjapan mama breakdown.
The original fella man, Pepe Suarez.
Francis Apio say, please, is Stanley Menzo a coach or a sporting director? Francis, my friend coach Stanley Menzo because he's a coach. Kotoko Afan a sporting director, football director, but he's a coach. It's me bondi coach Henry Menzo. Meaning say the enche ubusano, but he's a coach, and that is why I refer to him as Coach Henry Stanley Menzo. Yentwaso. Abuja.
Yes, sir.
Papa, medical be catch now. Last week, sir, player who age about 23, 24, 25. I just say will be exceptional, yes, sir. Under the new direction, called new football direction, no? Some players they will not fall part of it. Yes. Me sure say tie for kai. See a bit this uncommon wa. Say player won't fear no. About 25, 26. Oh, call 20. In fact, free 23 air no. You will need exceptional quality to be part of the Kotoko project. Opinion okay. He's looking for at best 22 air form, 23 air form. That is the project of pay episode of pay.
Okay.
Watch the video now, especially as a video a chin attention pa. Kotoko Africa no boy and okay say Kotoko ne Kwara ewo Accra Sports Stadium. Na Joe unplayable in that game. Kai go be your share. Kotoko no. From outside the penalty box, na ball na set pa na Joe at the atonet. And obusa Joe wasam. Abusanim say IMC umotwam yeah, they are not too can be almost be so many. So almost a player 2 years. A drew 2 years and Abay was to play another day of a call. It's a player like Joe or signing a 4-year contract with Asante Kotoko. Wabom 1, Aka 3.
Yeah.
Joe agencies pro sport 4. Omo egusu pushi the Atletico Madrid deal by Japan. Womo push. A quani emie. O bosso Cascala Emie. But a smiling dealer that was a and here Hubert Gyau to DC United.
Okay.
Minimum amount of DC United at the record call for Hubert Gyau I have $500,000 US. DC United is that a Bruni Krum and one America? The can Yamanone, but Bruni Krum America. And no na almost send the deal at the Kotoko. But Stanley Menzo decided to seek audience with Mike Markup and to explain something to him. And I was saying, this is the explanation. And Nyoma on it, Uran Edium, number 1.
Okay.
Okachan say, no Krenie. Or no bet me at a tea Hubert Gyau the next year or 2. Now, Hubert Gyau edi 1 year and I said 2 years. Or no Nensanoa. Hubert, obetmenya a direct deal to the Dutch Eredivisie. Pro Sports for say sɛ wɔn ti gidigidi a ɔno bɛtumi ɛne Gyau ayɛ adwuma for the next 2 years na Hubert Gyau ayɛ adwuma the next 2 years a obɛtumi ade akwaraa no akɔ straight to the Dutch Eredivisie, especially Ajax Amsterdam. Wei ɛyɛ nkɔmɔ a ebusapanyin ɛkɔɔ so ɛno na prosport fɔ no sɛ ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ further checks, ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ further assurance from Asante Kotoko. They want to find out the direct link a ɔpanyin ne de Stanley Menzo ɔne Ajax fɔ wɔn ti ɔyɛ so confident sɛ so ɔmo policy Hubert Gyau kakra bi a obetumi na kɔ Ajax first team senior team. In fact, I promise na bi ɛna wayɛ ɛde ama the camp of Peter Amido akwanom sɛ ɔde wobɛwuram ɛwɔ Dutch Eredivisie nom a top team a ɔbɔ ɛwɔ Dutch Eredivisie obetumi ɛde players na kɔ Japan.
Wow.
And so say deɛ the ball is in the court of pro sports. Kotoko deɛ ɔmo nyɛ desperate to sell because boy na ɛwɔ 3 more years with Kotoko. He signed 4 years, 1 ɛna wabɔ. Eti Kotoko, they are not desperate to sell.
Okay.
Kotoko pressure bia ni ɔmo sɛ chinchin a yɛsɛ wɔn ma aberanteɛ no kɔ. Baabi a pressure no wɔ no ɛyɛ pro sports for a ɔmo push the Atletico Madrid deal. No more san so proposal from DC United for their player. Kai sɛ ɔmo wɔ 2 proposals from 2 South African clubs on the same Hubert Gyau ɛda ɔdada.
Yes.
Enti Stanley akache Mike Markup CEO Edba Pro Sports onya abotre on home so no one taking the time na so omunya abotre no take your time a ono ebetimi anya deal na Hubert Gyau no the face of the new Kotoko project. Face no Hubert Gyau we nsama opanya ne din at Stanley Menzo, the director of football for Asante Kotoko, one pro sport for CU at the Uncle. Abjapan
Pepe Suarez.
Kotoko Meford no Kofi Tumpo na mbeka na asem kire wo ebe yi ni videos ade kire wo Bechem United. Wo mo central midfielder no. Some aka chose coach no every place be video.
Yeah.
Ning komo around Kofi
Tumpo. Wow.
Stanley, the director of football at Asante Kotoko, after watching videos of Kofi Tumpo, make a chose also on 5 minutes video, on 3 minutes video, 6 matches near Cabo when you trade derby. Enti Bechem Kotoko about TV so no appelling no a sharp branch no over a 90 minutes game. Bechem out of folk about TV so no a Kofi Tumpo over 90 minutes game. It to assess no ewo different games a branch the boy, not just the Ejutra Edikoton player no. And Metmaka is a coach, or a midfield of Gyau, Tumpo, and then Lord Hilaria double and Prince Badu Isco. Omiani and Zapani per coach, they will stay.
Okay.
Again, Lord Hilaria double signed 4 years with Asante Kotoko Bumbako. Prince Badu signed 3 years on Wabo half season. Aka 2.5. And Wabo Ede Ama Asante Kotoko. And no and a coach they say a double and Badu in terms of had any midfield no. Say a double the Bejina says Tumpo 8 no.
Okay.
Now Hubert Gyau ejina 10.
Wow.
A bit my Prince Badu no the Tumpo ne Gyau ho. Sana coach in SSS no sa and Penny or ya diana and no enya some keto ewo Kotoko asye. Now my friend just a Prince Badu. Said do you know Emaya and Jababa, a club in the eastern part of Africa. Ever send a proposal to pay $100,000 at their brass and Kotoko. None of them got 3 years any branch no on what transfer fee now. Kotoko bet you the nations no. What 100,000 by Busia Koton. Amonton. 100 yeah. Ever says 1 million Ghana cedis in Kakra.
So when I bear 1.1
now Kotoko on what transfer fee percentage in the shame of nations but or music don't be.
Okay.
So Kotoko may want a dealer a dose, especially because boy now only 6 months out of the 3-year contract he signed. So by next season the contract you are, then Kotoko may consider with the player sales, you know, Nyoma ya bum your player no the duration of his contract. Ni na bum because udi diagra because of Bosman ruling obeko free. And no kaka nkomodia and no afiafia ho but metima catch us Prince Badu Isco and Lord Hilaria Dabo coach am a green light that they will stay.
Okay.
The rest of the midfielders I mean more with Japan. Bebre Ediano Ebeze Yebe Petit Mama Nazo Petit Maba na Yahu Amoako. Yen terminated there. Say players are could be decided to move terminate contract and no so. A bear players are a beer. We are here ye would the tongue ye ni no so soon. A beer was sign. I can't 1 year pay. It will turn and turn out maintain. I just want to inside Janaka. And no be there. Say play and the proposal Abasa could contaminate ya. Kotoko will consider. But I did not Kotoko throw it's your 6 months. You come sign high and sign her. You be 6 months. This year, and Yadia Kotoko, a base I didn't be okay. I will market. So I was your point of example.
Richard Pepe,
Mamma Emfa Felicity and Fazia Dawson.